What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about Binance. Okay, so Binance just announced that there will be another launch pool. Okay, and the coin that you're gonna be able to stake your BNB or SFUSD to earn is Pixel. Okay, so you will be staking BNB or USD to earn Pixel. And let's go. If you click over here on the Binance X page. Let me just retweet this. So if you follow me on my Telegram, on my Twitter, on my X page, you will find this X. Okay. So let's go over to the announcement and let's see what's up. Okay. So this is going to be the 46th project on Binance Launpool. And let me just tell you before I go into it, every time Binance announces a project on the Launpool, that project does some crazy X's, okay? It does some real X's. So if you have the chance to stake BNB or FDUSD, do it because it's going to be worth it, right? So it's not financial advice, but it works every time. So this thing is, so what is Pixel? Okay, so if you click over here, let's click over here and let's see what is Pixel. I'm not really interested because usually when I join this project, I'm not really interested in what's this thing about. But let's go over to the website so we can see it's a game. Okay, so it's gonna be a game. It's a gaming token. Yeah, it's going to be a gaming token, okay? So it's going to be a social Web3 game built on running network. And over here we can find more information about it. All right, so it's going to start tomorrow, okay? So 9th of February 2024 at midnight. Not tomorrow. Actually, it's going to start in a few hours. It's 18:35 right now, so it's going to start in a few hours, okay? So how it's going to play out? Okay, so you're going to be able to stake BNB or a stable coin, okay, in this case FDUSD, and you will be able to earn Pixel in rewards. But you're only going to get your rewards after the farming finishes, okay? Farming will start tomorrow, essentially, midnight of the 9th, and it will run for 9 days. We'll finish on the 18th, and then I believe on the 18th, let me see, farming probably most likely is going to be released on the 19th, right here. Okay, so on the 19th, the Binance will list the Pixel token at 10 o'clock UTC time, and you can do BTC Pixel, USDT, BNB, FDUSD, try, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's go over to the total supply. It's 5 billion tokens, I believe. So 5 billion tokens. So Binance will have 7% of the total supply, which 350 million tokens. And initial circulation supply is going to be 15%, which is 771 million tokens. And yeah, KYC required in order for you to stake. Remember, the Launpool, it only works in a few countries, okay? If you scroll all the way down, you can find which countries are allowed to stake and which countries are not allowed to stake. So come over here and read all the information. This page is going to be in the description of this video, so you check it out, okay? Obviously, BNB always have bigger portion of the rewards, okay, because it's on Binance, right? So Binance, it will force you to buy BNB in order to stake to earn those rewards. So majority of the tokens will be on the Binance pool and 20% will be for the stablecoin pool, okay? And essentially that's that. If you want to find out more information about the project, just come over here, click on those links, and you will find more information about this Pixel project. Okay, but if you got some BNB available, do not hesitate in stake it because it will be worth it. Right, so you're gonna make some bucks. And that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.